There you go.
Yes, now that we have discussed the future advantage and benefit, I would like to discuss the prices and our discount. Actually, we have four types of discount, which is quantity, cumulative, cash, and trade discount. The quantity discount is about if you buy more than 1,000 units, you'll get like 5 units free. And the cumulative discount is if you buy more than 10,000 or 20,000 units, then you will get 2% or 5% discount. The cash discount is if you pay like within 10 days, you will get 1% discount of the products you are buying. The trade discount is about if you buy a huge amount, like 20,000, 30,000, you will get 10,000 in discount of the product. I have an example here. The regular price of the product is $10 per unit, and if you will buy a huge amount, you will get 2% in cumulative discount and 10% in trade discount. So the price per unit is going to be 8.88.
That's good.